Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Tinder promo codes and coupon. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Tinder app and from here, you want to go into your profile by tapping on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then from here, tap on the gear icon or settings icon and scroll all the way down until you see membership. So, if a select code is applicable in the select membership, you can just tap on it and then type the code. But if can't find it here, then you can close Tinder and open a web browser. Inside it, search for tinder.com and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you want to scroll down and look for the link named promo code under the FAQ header. Once you find it, tap on it and all you have to do is just type the promo code that you have. So that's basically how you can get Tinder promo codes and coupon. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.